In this video, I will show you how to get chess titles in chess.com. So the titles like Grandmaster, International Master, etc. they all have certain criteria that you need to meet to get the title. To do that, the ELO from chess.com is not the verified one. For that, there are certain criteria that you need to meet based on FIDE rating. So, to know that, you can simply search up chess title criteria in Google or any web browser. There you will find various categories. To be a candidate master, you will need a standard FIDE rating of 2200. And similarly, for international master, you will need a FIDE rating of 2400 and 3 IM norms. So, in the similar cases, there are grandmaster and etc. To calculate your standard rating or to calculate your FIDE rating, what you will have to do is simply search up chess rating calculation FIDE. Then you will find this page. From here, put in your scores, put the key, put all of the required information. After that, simply click on calculate rating change. Or if you have not calculated your initial rating, then in this up menu bar you can select initial rating change. From here, put in the ratings, the scores, number of games. After that, click on calculate initial rating. Now, from this you will get a certain rating. From this, now see which criteria do you meet. After that, you can simply contact chess.com customer service. From there, tell them what you want to do and they will verify your ratings from FIDE. After that, they will add a rating to your account. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.